This is everything you need to know to make a decorative bowl. Hi, my name's Tony. Styling your house with on-trend items can get quite expensive, but not if you make them yourself. This is how to make a gorgeous bowl. To begin, you'll need two bowls, one larger and one smaller, to serve as the mold for your bowl. If you raid your kitchen cupboard, you'll be sure to find some spares. Next, grab a bucket, some water, and a bag of plaster of Paris. Add your water to the bucket, and then add your plaster of Paris and mix until it's the consistency of cake batter. To ensure the decorative bowl comes out easily once it's set, spray the inside of the larger bowl with WD-40. Then pour in the plaster of Paris mix into the bottom of the bowl. Spray the outside of the smaller bowl with WD-40 and insert it into the plaster mix. Weigh the top bowl down with something heavy and leave to set. Once the plaster is set, carefully remove it from the bowls. The edges might be a little sharp, so use a craft tool to shape the finished bowl and remove any unwanted bits. And there you have it, a stylish bowl that looks as good as any designer piece. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.